What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this key fob that's for the GMC Savanna vans. So this GMC Savanna key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change the battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down by the key ring, we see there's this little notch right here. And if your key fob's a bit worn, this may be a little bit more difficult to see, but it should be there. So what I'm going to do is put my key fob in the notch like that, and then just carefully pry it apart. Once we pull the two halves apart, in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. Can use a screwdriver, get under the edge of it, and get it out of that holder. Grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down on the case like that. Snap that into place, and then we can snap the two halves of the shell back together, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.